Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install Discord on Huawei Mate X6. Let's begin. Now, we won't be using official app gallery here, because as you probably know, app gallery is not the safest option to download your applications from, as it basically just gives you few different links from the web. As you can see, by default we have one from the app parks here, and only then we can install something from Gbox and AppPure, and that requires you to, well, basically give away your data. I'm not saying it's not safe, I'm just saying that there are safer ways, and I'm not the only one, as there are many people who believe that this system here is pretty So instead we'll just go directly into Gbox here and directly into Google Play Store. And in here we can easily search for our Discord and we can download it right here. And as you can see, it is verified by Play Protect. Now, if you don't know what Gbox is and you don't know how to uninstall it and how to use it, we have a tutorial on that. It's called How to Install Google Play on your Google Play Store on your Huawei Mate X6. And as you can see now that the Discord has successfully downloaded, we can just use it freely and we can log in and do whatever we want. And we can just click here and go into the Gbox copy of it. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.